Namaste, Vadakkam and welcome to Untold Delicacy. Today's special recipe is onion tomato chutney, best served with idli, dosa and a personal favorite. For the recipe you need onions, green chili, garlic cloves, ginger, tomato, dried red chili, curry leaves, mustard seeds, asafoetida or hing, salt as per your taste and 2 tablespoons oil. So in a pan heat some oil and add onions, asafoetida, ginger, garlic, green chili and mix it until it turns pink. To this add roughly chopped tomatoes. Please keep in mind that the quantity of tomatoes is double the quantity that you use for onions. For example, if there are 4 onions used, then you usually would use 7 to 8 tomatoes, like we have used in this recipe. Stir the mixture and then add turmeric and salt as per taste. Again, mix it well and then cover it with a lid. Covering the mixture with a lid will help the onion and tomatoes to soften. Once it is cooked well, then switch off the flame and keep it aside and let it cool for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Then pour it in a mixer grinder and grind it well till it becomes a paste and the chutney is ready. Time to add some tadka. Heat some oil, add sarson, curry leaves and red chili and add it in the chutney. It's ready. Follow us for more such recipes.